Welcome back to my final morning report. Charles Suppose on Wednesday, the 10th of February, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at this gold chart. And I spoke in the morning report about the turnaround in sentiment that is improving market sentiment, and that is beginning to drag gold price lower. And what we've seen is the prospect of a bit of a correction in this gold chart now. Let me just show you the hourly chart, because we've seen a breakdown below 1185, which I saw as the near-term support. That has been seen in the last few minutes, actually. And if you sort of take that as a top pattern, small top pattern, you sort of measure 1185 to 12 figure. Sorry, 12 figure, $1,200, which is about $15 of downside from 1185. That's about 1170 for your correction. So it could quite be happening now. I also spoke about the fact that you could see the RSI below 40. That would be a signal of that breakdown as well. So we are starting to see the corrective signals coming through that would suggest that this gold chart may be rolling over. So you saw this sort of negative candle yesterday, not a million miles away from a shooting star, although it's not a great one, but just showing the sort of loss of momentum. Now the RSI was up at 80, hugely overbought, so there is room to unwind this chart, certainly. Stochastics crossing over, not had a confirmed sell signal yet, but still the crossover has been seen. So I think that the near-term correction could now be on if the market sentiment does hold an improvement, and you've got Janet Yellen coming out this afternoon. She's likely to be dovish. If that's the case, then the market sentiment could continue to improve. If that is the case, I think you're going to see a correction in gold, and that is what the chart is telling you. I think near term the market is just beginning to factor that in, seeing a slight correction in the gold price below 1185, setting us up for a near term move back towards 1170. But there is obviously quite a lot of this move higher to unwind. So you need to be careful of that. Certainly if you're still running long positions, you could well see a bit of a correction near term, and that is what the chart is telling us. So you've got your resistance that comes in, reaction high 1194 today. 12 figure is clearly around about where the big resistance comes in, $1,200, that is. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.